question. Part of a bird.
Part on the bird.
Of a bird.
Of a bird.
Part of a bird.
Pass on.
Part.
Part.
Part of.
On.
Of.
Of.
Part of a bird.
Pass.
Part.
Part.
Part
Part
of
of
a
the
bird.
bird.
Part of a bird.
Pass of.
Part
Part
of a bird.
a bird.
Name the part of the bird by writing the correct number.
Writing.
Then color the bird and trace the word. Now, wing. Where is wing?
Wing.
Which one? Number?
Number L.
One. Where is wing?
Wings.
Yes.
Crossing.
Number 2 is eye.
Eyes.
Yes. Number 3 is beak.
Beak.
Where is beak?
Beak itu buntut.
This is tail. Beak.
Tail.
Beak, yes. Number 4 is tail.
Tail.
Yes. Number 5 is leg.
Leg.
Good. Wing is
One.
sayap. Sayap. Eye is
Is buat melihat. Mata.
Beak is paruh.
Paru.
Tail is
Buntut.
ekor. Leg is
Five.
leg itu apa?
Leg itu buat
Ka leg itu apa? Ini apa namanya?
kaki.
Iya, good.